In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple prototypes. Make separate flows on Figma page. If you are designing different user journeys on the same page like onboarding versus checkout, separate flows will keep everything organized and easy to test. Let's walk through how to set them up clearly and cleanly. Start by opening your design file and making sure you are on the page with the frames you want to prototype. Then switch to the Prototype tab in the Properties panel on the right side of Figma. When you are in this tab, you'll see options specific to prototyping, including where we'll define our flows. Choose the frame that should kick off your first user journey. With that frame selected, look in the right sidebar for the Flow Starting Point section and click the plus icon. Figma creates a new flow starting point on that frame. By default, it might be called Flow 1 and you'll see a small label appear near the frame to confirm. It's the start. To keep things crystal clear, rename the flow. Click the default name in the right panel and give it something descriptive, like a short phrase that matches the scenario. Clear names make it much easier to manage multiple flows later on. Next, create your interactions. Use the prototyping connections, often called noodles, to link interactive objects to their destination frames. Click an element, then drag the blue arrow to the frame you want to navigate to. Any frames connected from your starting frame automatically become part of that flow. Keep your links consistent within this journey so the flow stays separate and easy to follow. Now, set up a second flow. Select a different frame that isn't connected to the first flow. In the same Flow Starting Point section, click the plus icon again to create another starting point. Rename it for clarity, then add your noodles to connect objects to the appropriate destination frames for this second journey. Because each flow begins on its own frame and uses its own set of connections, they remain cleanly separated on the same page. When you are ready to test, click Preview in the top right of Figma. The prototype window opens, and on the right side, you'll see a list of your flows. Each one is shown separately. Select the flow you want to run, and it will start from that flow's defined starting frame. Switch between flows to verify that each journey works independently and only includes the frames you connected. That's it. Thanks for watching.